A warm welcome to one and all. Thank you for joining us. It's a beautiful morning and we are sure it's going to be a very high intensity game. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform.
Ladies and gents, please stand up for the national anthems.
Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Captain will be more happy with his bowlers conceding only singles at this stage. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Oh, that's the beauty of a delivery. The bowler really unlucky to not get an edge on that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good bowling, it beats him all, ends up. Batsman losing his concentration there. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. Tremendous hit this. That's a crowd catcher. That's a six. Found the gap beautifully and that races away to the boundary again. Plenty happening out there. Fielding captain needs to calm his bowlers down before the umpire interferes. Get ready for the free hit now. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. Spinner brought into the attack. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Up in the air. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Bowler is fired up, looks good to get another scalp. In the air. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. They need more boundaries now to make up for their slow start. That's high in the air. Got him. That's a stunner. Out for a duck. Hat trick. That's a terrific effort from the bowler. The bowler must try and keep this new batsman on strike and create pressure. That's hit hard. That's hit for 6. That's a great shot. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Picked and deposited out of the park for a 6. That's a clean strike. Last ball coming up. Edge, but lands in a no man's land. He deserved a wicket there. End of the first inning won't be long before we thrilling contest. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Well, the captain has decided taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. This is impressive captaincy, giving his bowler an attacking field. Good shot for a single. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Turned away for a single. This is poor fielding. They can't leak out runs like this. Fans would be disappointed. You really need to be on your toes at this level while fielding. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Decided to bowl that from round the wicket. Muscled, a magnificent shot for 4. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Very good running between the wickets. The captain would definitely feel let down by that effort. Fielders are expected to support the bowler. Need to keep things really tight. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Change in angle, bowler coming over the wicket. Hammered away for 4, good placement. crowd is enjoying every bit of this action. Easy enough for the batsman to play for a single or a two if they run well. That was a poor throw. Needs to be a lot more accurate. Pace bowler into the attack. And the batting power play comes to an end. Well placed into the gap, possible too. Oh, that must be out. Oh, that is brilliant work. Chose the wrong fielder to take on. Decision goes to the third umpire. And yes, he gets his man. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Good shot for a single. Ah, that's a good throw. Straight into his hands. Slim pickings at the moment. The batsmen need to up the gear a bit. Turned away for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Spectacular catch. Perfectly timed his jump and made sure he held on to that one. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. My God, this looked impossible until he took it. Incredible effort by the fielder. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Last ball coming up. Beautiful placement. He knows exactly where the fielders are. They put a good all-round performance today. Bowled well to defend their total.